Hello everyone, my name is Saanvi. I am from grade 9 and today I'll be explaining you the relation between inertia and mass. So as we all know that there are three famous Newton's laws of motion, and the very first law of motion is also based on the concept of inertia. So what is this inertia? So before the 17th century, many greatest scientists of the world believed that an object's natural state was to come at rest, and anything is in motion would obviously come at rest because of friction. But this was proven wrong by Newton after many years of him researching. So let me give a small example. Suppose there are two objects, one of them is heavier, one of them is lighter. So both would have different masses, it's clear. And when you're applying the same force on them, suppose you're pushing them forward, the object which is lighter would go far further and the object which is heavier would not go so much further. So this also gives a concept of inertia, that the object which was heavier resisted the change. Which we can also say that the inertia is the tendency of objects to resist the change in themselves. Which we can also say that object is in motion would prefer to be in motion. An object which is at rest would prefer to be in rest. And it tries its best not to give up its state of motion. But it usually does because it is disturbed by an external force. So when the mass is greater, we would say the inertia is also greater. So the greater the mass is, we can say the greater is the inertia. In other words, the mass is a measure of the inertia of an object, which we can also say is how strong is the tendency of an object to resist the change in itself and its motion. Thank you. Hope that helped you.